everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. So today's makeup look is all about winter makeup look. So this is the look. So you know what, in times of winter there are chances that your skin tends to be a little dry than normal, and also when you put up like foundation on top of that, concealer, and on top of that when you pile upon a little more other makeup products, there are chances that your foundation, your base makeup may look a little bit cakey. So to avoid that, today I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look to keep your base flawless and radiant for this winter. So yes guys, and also I will leave all the products that I'm going to use for this makeup look down there in the description box below. You can go and click that link and directly purchase them. And also I will also leave like a dupes for this products that I'm using, not actually dupes, like similar products, I mean to say. I will leave the similar products links also in the description box below, so in case if you want to purchase those, like instead of the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, you can pick up a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So I will leave all that also in the description box below, the links to that, so do check that out. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the look now. So firstly, I'm going to start my eye makeup by mixing these two shades from Born to Run Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying that on my crease and blending that out with a fluffy blending brush, guys. I'm slowly taking a little more product and building that up to get my desired intensity. Now I'm taking this dark orange color and I'm applying that on my crease with a fluffy blending brush again, just because I want a little more color over there on my crease. And now I'm taking this dark brown shade and placing that on the outer V area, and I'm slightly taking that into the outer crease area as well, and I'm blending those colors out with a fluffy blending brush again, just to get a good blended look, eyeshadow look over there. And I'm taking this beautiful purple color and applying that on my inner eyelid area with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. That brush is MAC 217, but you can use any fluffy eyeshadow brush that you have. I'm slowly building the product out there, and because I want a little more intensity with that same eyeshadow, so I took a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm applying that, just like packing that color over there on the lid. Now for my face, I'm taking my Laura Mercier Radiant Finish primer and I'm applying that on my skin, guys. So don't use a matte primer in winters. Your skin tends to be even more dry, so instead pick a radiant finish primer always in winter. And now for my foundation, I'm taking my Laura Mercier Cream Silk Moisturizing Photo Edition foundation. I'm dotting that all over my skin and I'm gonna blend it out. And this foundation is so amazing, guys. This has been one of my recent favorite. This is a very lightweight liquidy formula foundation which gives that beautiful radiant dewy finish, and it photographs so damn well. I really love this foundation. And now I'm blending that all out with a flat foundation brush. This is just because this foundation is like very liquidy. If I'm directly blending that out with a sponge, I'm not getting the desired coverage that I want. So firstly, I'm blending that out with a flat foundation brush, and then I'll tone that down with a damp sponge. And guys, I didn't use a moisturizer underneath this foundation. Instead, I applied a sheet mask. That's just because if I apply a moisturizer underneath it, this foundation isn't going well because it's very runny liquidy formula. So I applied a sheet mask instead. So for my concealer, I took my CoverFX Power Play Concealer, which is my recent favorite again. Can you see that cute round ball-like applicator? It is amazing to apply. And I'm applying that on all my high point concealer areas and blending that all out with the same damp beauty sponge. And if you want the review of this concealer, guys, I already did that, and do check it out. I'll link that on the top of this video. And again, I went with another coat and blending that all out with the same damp beauty sponge. And for my liquid illuminator, I took the iconic London liquid illuminator in the shade The Original, and I'm placing that on all my high points and I'm gonna blend that out with my fingers. So the beauty is for this makeup is, guys, this illuminator, because you'll get that beautiful radiant glow, like that instant glow with this liquid illuminator. And for my powder, I took the Krylon Loose powder with a brush. With a powder brush. I'm not using a sponge because I don't want too much baking effect over there. And now I took my blush, which is from Milani. It's Milani Baked Blusher, and I'm placing that on my apples of my cheeks. I took a blush that is of shimmer finish because you know shimmer really looks good in winter. So don't prefer matte finish blush, guys. Instead, always prefer something that is of a cream formula, a liquid formula, or that has shimmer in it. Now I'm taking these two shades from the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, and I'm placing that on my lower lid area just to get some kind of dimension over there. And now I'm taking this pale gold eyeshadow, and I'm using that as my brow bone highlighter. Now for my mascara, I took my favorite MAC Bold and Bad Lash mascara. And for my bronzer, I took my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm contouring my nose with that. I mean, like, I really love contouring my nose, and especially the contouring part, guys. It gives that beautiful dimension, like structure to your face. And for my lipstick, I took my favorite YSL lip stain. And also, I added on some falsies to get that glam look, guys. And yeah, the look is done. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. And I hope you like this look. In case if you do so, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. And also, do subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And I will be uploading new videos on every Tuesday and Friday. So in case if you don't want to miss that out, please do subscribe to my channel, and your subscription really means a lot to me, guys. So please do subscribe. And yes, guys, and also yeah, do follow me on all my social media platforms so that you can get to know more about me. The links to my social media platforms will be down there in the description box below, and all the products that I use for this look and also the similar products also will be, the links to that also will be in the description box below, so do check that out. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.